Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find the fuses for the TPMS Light for the tire pressure monitor module guys on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it. It's a little bit hidden, it's a different kind of fuse. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, and by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now guys. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, what we need to check, let's show you where you can find the TPMS Light, the tire pressure monitor system, fuses, relays on that generation Mercedes C-Class. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know where all the different hidden fuse boxes are located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes C-Class W205 fuse box location and diagram. Very helpful video that can save you a lot of money from what we were told by our subscribers. And what we need to do now here, we need to open the passenger door, and when you come in the footwell compartment on the passenger side, on the A pillar here on the plastic trim piece, you have a cover, remove it, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And guys, what we need to check here now, okay, by the way, if you want to see how to program TPMS sensor, how to test TPMS sensor, how to know which TPMS sensor is better, we'll have videos on the channel that will teach you how to do that. Here guys, in that fuse box, please make sure you stay until the end. You see these fuses, 3 fuses, that's MF1, fuse MF1, fuse MF2, fuse MF3. The one that we need to check today is fuse MF3. Now, that MF3 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different fuses integrated in one fuse. One of these fuses is for the tire pressure monitor module for the TPMS system. So what you guys need to do, remove that fuse and test each section. It's hard to tell exactly which one it is. There is very limited information, but we know for a fact that's where it's located. You don't have any relays. The relay function is controlled by the module. But if you still have problems with the TPMS system, you may want to check fuses for the front SAM module, front SAM module, and the rear SAM module, fuses, relays as well. Check those guys. If you don't know where they're located, we'll have the video on the channel to help you with that as well. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.